This is an example of me using generative AI. In this case, I'm using Gemini from Google. I had an image that is from a screenshot, and there was text inside that I wanted to retrieve and even to understand. I started with a simple prompt. The prompt could have been more detailed. Nevertheless, I've started with this. I got that image from a paper that I was reading on this topic. Meta reasoning prompts that generate prompts for generative AI. So good answer. But then I thought that I actually wanted the text to copy and paste and use myself. So this is OCR, optical character recognition. My prompt was, please extract information in the image, character by character, with the same format and write it down in a markdown format. And give me this output. And I was already quite pleased with this. But then I thought that I want something a bit better than this. I wanted it to understand if there was any discrepancies, any errors on the character recognition that it did. So I asked it, you have many years of experience at revising text. Please have a look at the original image and compare it with your output. Look for discrepancies or errors and give me the final report. And here it realized that indeed there is a bit more work to do, such as it missed out things like bold, indentation, formatting. My original intention with this prompt was mainly to see if there were any errors of actual wrong words on the original image, but it went even beyond, realizing that it could do a bit better in terms of formatting. Therefore, it reevaluated the whole thing and wrote down in Markdown the same text, but now with bold indentation and better numericals, etc. This is really good. And I thought of doing a video to show this because I believe it shows the power of these tools, that they can do quite impressive things and they need to be asked in a certain way. They need to be nudged.